So I'm QAing something really exciting that I've been waiting on for many months, actually many years, to be honest with you. We've had some trouble getting really deep PPC data, and been getting worse and worse over the last several years, right? Right here, this is what I'm QAing. This is the new data that we're pushing in. This is the same keyword. We pulled in about 10 days of data. So check this out. We got like fresh ads from December 2025 on all of these advertisers. Look at this thing go down. This is all Invisalign, all the same keyword Invisalign, right? Just one keyword. Look at it. I'm still scrolling. I'm freaking still scrolling, you guys. Look at this. I don't know how long I'm going to scroll for, but this is like just, so like over here, no data because we only have one snapshot per keyword. Here we've got hundreds per day. It's going to be like 1,000 times more keyword data. I'm still scrolling. This is still December data. And this is like up through December 5th, right? Look at that, you guys. Okay, so what happens when we just like pull in a random domain? Little advertiser, Kalos Dental Aesthetics on the keyword Scottsdale Dentist. Kalos Dental Aesthetics.com. Yeah, okay, nothing. No keywords, period. No keywords in PPC. Let's put it in over here. Bad history. Boom, right? Like this is actual fresh data. I'm so stoked for this. I've been waiting on this for like months and months and months, years, really. It's been very difficult to get this kind of like truly great PPC data back, but it's back. We're back. Do you want to see something else? Let me just try another keyword, right? Like Toyota Sienna or something. I mean, Toyota.com, all we have, and that's actually an old-ish piece of data. Let's have a look at it here. I'm doing this live. I have no idea. I've not looked at this keyword. So here we go. Doing it with me. Boom, baby. Okay, yes. Look at this. Oh, God, I love it. I love this. Look, it's just so much. I mean, and we could go into any of these advertisers, right? These ones here, these guys haven't shown up. Scroll through. I mean, it's just hundreds of them, right? Hundreds of these advertisers that we don't have currently. Anyway, PPC data is coming. I mean, I don't want to tell you exactly. Probably in the next week or two, it'll definitely be there by January. Hopefully have great holidays. Later.